Hello, everyone. I wanted to bring your attention to something I see quite frequently. Here are the things I hear or see all the time. You know, Angela, I have tried manifesting. I've tried my SATs. I have tried affirmations. I'm just tired at this point. I don't want to do manifesting anymore. Now, do you know why you're tired? Do you know why you want to toss in the towel with manifesting, quote unquote? Because you are looking for something to do. Let me put it to you with this analogy. You just have a brand new baby and you bring it home. And then after a week, of no sleep, the glamour wears off. Do you stop being a parent? No. You get up every day and you be a parent. So what does it mean when it comes to manifestation? You are manifesting all day, every day. You are manifesting from somewhere within yourself those thoughts that you don't see anymore. So, you see, that's why I tell you, stop giving in to the gimmick of manifestation. It is not a gimmick. Manifesting your reality is a way to live. It is not an activity that we do randomly. Oh, I need this, so I'll manifest it. Live the life you're supposed to live, and you don't have to need anything because you already have it. Well, how do you mean I already have it? If you are living your life with the understanding of the law, and you are practicing, what are you practicing every day? You are practicing where you put your focus. You are practicing what you say to yourself. You don't just get up and go, oh, I'm the greatest today, and then tomorrow you get up and say, I suck. You have to choose one of those things. So if you're going to tell yourself, I am the greatest, you don't deviate from it. If you're going to tell yourself, oh, I suck, and you tell yourself that every day, all day, every day, what do you expect you're going to reap? All the situations that reinforce or affirm that you suck. So, how do we stop sucking? You choose what you are going to be. Neville Goddard says to you, assume it until it becomes real, until it takes on the tones of reality. What does that mean? It means you get up every day, and in spite of what you see around you, but it's not changing, Angela. I don't care if it is not changing. You know what needs to change? Where you are focused. We are so easily distracted from what we want. I have read so many comments. I'm tired. I can't do this anymore. Because you are fighting the old you. You're fighting your old behavior. Don't fight your old behavior. Assume the new one. Walk in it every day. Example. You want to affirm, because we like using affirmations, don't we? We don't understand them. What is an affirmation? Something you tell yourself over and over and over again. Until you believe it. That's an affirmation. Okay, so what are you going to tell yourself today? I'm going to write the first chapter. Well, you get up and you sit with your pen and your paper. What am I going to write today? And you give yourself an hour. If you want to dedicate an hour, sure. You want to dedicate 2 hours? Sure. But if you're going to dedicate the time to writing every day, set your timer and write in that time. Right? But you get up and you say, oh, you know what? I don't feel like writing. I don't even know what to think right now. I don't feel like it. When you stop and you say, I don't feel like it, you go back to the old way that you were. Going back to the old way is easier in the beginning because it is what is familiar. Because it has the tones of reality only because you've been doing it for longer. So in order for us to create our reality, we don't hope, we don't wish, we don't beg, we don't plead. We remain faithful to the new attitude you want to walk through life with. So if you're used to people disrespecting you, well, what do you want? You want respect. So what do you say to yourself? You know what? I am respected because I'm a respectable person. Yes. And so when you go through the day, where you experience the disrespect, you remind yourself, that's the old man. That's what you do. And you reinforce it with no, I am respected. And you don't give in to the disrespect. Right? Because sooner or later it will fade. The disrespect will fade because you stay true to what you say to yourself. But like I said, we're looking for that quick fix, that secret sauce. Well, here is it. Your attention, and your consistency is the secret sauce. We marvel at what Neville Goddard taught, but not once do we dig beneath the surface to see why. Why? Why was he consistent? Because that was the way he chose to live, not a thing he chose to do. That's why he says you must deny your senses. Right? Change that you want to do will take a little bit of time. Why does it take time? Because the old way has got the power behind it. Those are the old seeds. That's the old harvest. So now when you plant the new seeds, remember the story of bamboo. The new seeds that you plant appear to take a long time and nothing is happening on the surface. But what you don't see outside yet, go with what's on the inside. What's happening with that bamboo? It has not broken the surface, but you better believe it's been burrowing down into the depths of that soil. So that why? As within, so without. It has to take root in you before you see it outside. So be encouraged today. We're searching for that love. We're searching for more money, a new career, peace of mind, courage, affluence. Well then, stay faithful to the image and the words you say to yourself that confirm what it is you say you are. And because you don't see it in 24 hours, 48 hours, 2 weeks, 3 months, this is taking too long? Are you doing or are you being? That is your word. Much love.